all-night rideout, bro. Have you ever heard of a rideout that happens all night? It's a SEBIKE Rideout. It's called the Marathon Crash Rideout, and this only happens once a year. I can't really ride my pedal bike. You guys already know my collarbone is still hurting, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the Talaria. All right, boys, we're on the way to the spot right now. We're on the Talaria Sting MX3 with that BAC 4000 controller, 7,500 watts. Yeah, I love those lights. I just broke my collarbone like a month or two ago, so I can't do wheelies. Say what? Ah, dude, I ate my friend's electric bike. Not this one. What the flip? Oh! Yo, chill out, yo! Oh! Damn, okay, it's getting more active. It's getting more active. We got the SEBIKE crew out here. All right, yo, guys, I'm about to try out this. What the hell is this, bro? Is it
Ghost Tato 29 inch?
Dude, this is nice. Inside, baby, this rideout's about to get started, bro. Let's go. A ride to remember for sure. I've never done this rideout before, dude. God, you got so many heads. Hey, let's go, cuz. I wish I was on my pedal bike right now, for real. The one thing about these rideouts, when you pull up on an Emoto, bro, you cannot get enough space to like do your wheelies, so you gotta wait.
Working late, trying to get fast, and it's serving like a mug.
Is that Vito? You floating? Oh, this dude's like 10 feet tall.
And now I ain't proud of some things that I've done in the past, so don't hold me against me. It's just that it's hard to make much of it.
Let's go! The crew method, he's hacking! Oh, shit! You good? You alright?
Bro, it cut out.
I got it, dude. I got it on that. Yeah. Yo, are you okay though?
Yeah, I'm chilling. The motor just straight cut out.
Why?
I don't know. I just flipped over that. You seen that?
Yeah. Pippin, oh my god. This dude, look at this dude, guys. He's insane. You crashed earlier?
Yeah.
Yo, are you okay?
I'm not sure about my elbow, but yeah.
Oh, really?
No blood, right? No blood? No blood, but
Oh, okay.
taking out my elbow.
I'm glad you're all right, man.
After a powder coat.
Nah, it's a sticker kit. Dude, if it were a powder coat, that'd be one crazy powder coat, dude.
Hey, let's try it. Come on, bro. Let's try it.
Man, low-key, I want to try that bike. Is that La Plaga?
I'll stay back here with you on God, on everything.
You ain't, nah, bro, you ain't gonna touch my bike. Yeah, let's go. Keeping that tang up. That Chihuahua. Give me that dog. He's so chill. He's loving it. Yo, imagine doing a wheelie with the dog on the back.
With or without the dog, I do.
Oh, with the phone in hand. Yo, make a call, bro. You gotta make a call.
I'll make it call.
Yeah, you gotta do that.
Be like, wait.
Yeah. I'm on the way right now. I'm pulling up. Bro, I genuinely love doing these rideouts. I wish I was on my pedal bike right now, but I'm not on my pedal. We're riding all night on the Talaria, bro. We're outside all night on this, dude. One pedal? How the Oh, one hand and one pedal? Oh, okay. Keeping it up, yeah, dropping that. Let's go. Oh, what? No, I feel you, bro.
Everywhere I look, places, elements, often changing, plenty words and common phrases. I think I'm nailing nothing under-medicated, misunderstood, missing what's good, and unfortunately educated. Everybody's saying something, everybody changing something. Most of them ain't changing up. Is it me who's changing all the victim mentality? Everyone around here start to look like the enemy. Nobody defends me, so everyone offends me. Tell me what to change, but I don't see that in me. And only when I
Give me some work, come on, bro, you got that? No, you mean no? Yeah, pick that up, don't panic. Are we bipping today or what?
Won't touch our mental issues when music isn't fun. When I mention why I run.
Let me see some work, Superman. It's a big bike on a little boy. Look at him. Woo, woo, woo. Okay, okay. Okay. Beautiful. You got work, you tired, huh?
Yeah, I'm tired.
Yo, my ass starting to hurt, bro. Does your ass hurt?
Oh, no, not yet.
Not yet. Sponsored. Let's go. Oh, cruise.
Stress from head to toe. I shut it down when I hit the door. One thing for sure, ain't broke no more. Still banging my music show.
We outside with the whole crew. Let's go. There he is. Everybody's coming back. Oh my lord. Rolling that through the pack. Treating that thing like a 450. Woo! What kind of trick is that? OG, you need a push, OG. Yeah. Hold on. Here, come here. You got it. Oh, you got it. Come on. Yes, Ersky. Hold on tight. Keep holding on. Just keep holding. We're getting active in Hollywood, Pip. Oh, we got B-Dog out here. Woo! Parking it. Excuse me. God, he's still up. Don't give a Woo! We got the outside.
Matters of undeniable fact.
Oh my God! What the?
Against you.
That's fire! About to squirt that bitch.
We good.
Surf that beat up.
Scale. Let's go. Domingo. Let's go. Take. Let's go. Sit. Let's roll. Straighten it. Yeah. Don't not get straightened but straightened. Don't not get straightened but straightened. Don't not get straightened but straightened. You don't get shit straightened.
Yo, get through there, B-Dog. Get through there, B-Dog. Oh, bro. I got all that. That's crazy. What the f is that? What the f is that? Look at this. What the flip?
I bought 2 whips and I put my bitch on. She put this wrist on. She got the wrist and went push me up on. Turn a pandemic into a pandemic. You know that's the shit that we on. Yes, sir. Them niggas gon' pull up back and let this shit stick to me.
Did you hit it? Nah, that thing lit, isn't it?
Yo, with no shirt, I felt my tits just hurting real quick.
A beautiful breeze. Well, guys, what do you know? I'm at 0%. And we just made it back to the Santa Monica Pier, baby. Guys, this happens every single time I go out on a big ride out. 0%. What the fuck? Look at that. How many heads? There's like 300-400 people here. That was one lit ass ride out. Thank you so much for SC Bikes for hosting this ride out. I've been wanting to do this last year. I missed it. I literally was there at the time that they hosted it, but I didn't know that there was a ride out going on. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.